Hello, so I'm Jean-François Chianetta, founder and CEO of Augment. At Augment, what we do is we merge real and virtual seamlessly. What do I mean? During the life cycle of a product, it goes through different phases of design, B2B sales, marketing, and omnicommerce. And through each of those phases, you need to be able to see the product, to iterate on the prototyping and the design, to show to your customers, to show to your distributors, and then finally, when the end user wants to buy it, to be able to visualize it at home. And through all those different cycles, Augment provides a tool to show and to view that object. And when I say object, it's very wide. It can be a product, but also a building, a new display, a merchandising, or even a big machine. So let me show you how it works. Augment is an app available on the iPad, iPhone, Android, with a platform on which you can upload your 3D model. And customers like Coca-Cola will use the app to show their new fridges directly integrated in the bar, restaurant, exactly where they are supposed to fit. So when they do that, the bar manager and the store manager have an idea of how it's going to look like and where it's going to be placed. And they have even the ability to modify the color configuration and then finally snap a picture to validate the placement of the product. So it's really a way for them to be sure about what they buy. The same way, an architect will want to show to their customers, so the company asking, the real estate company, how a new project will look like. They want to show it like a reduced scale model, but also in a more immersive view where you will have really the ability to see how that final project will look like. And it's not only the architecture company showing it to their customers, it's also the construction company that will want to show to the worker on the field how certain parts of the building are built. And so with Augmented Reality, they have the ability to see those specific part of the building. And the real estate company, finally, when they want to sell to the end user, will also need to use Augmented Reality to show how the different rooms look like and to go in each of those rooms and give a real idea of the volume of those areas. So Augmented Reality is not only for one part of the project, it's really through the whole experience. And then, as an end consumer, you may want to buy a new object and you want to see it before you buy it. And thanks to Augmented Reality, you now have the ability to have a real lifelike view of any product. And since you are in the real world, you can compare several products together. Because sometimes it's a little bit complicated to compare products because you just see pictures and thumbnails. But with Augmented Reality, you don't have this problem anymore. You see every product at the real size in the real world with always the ability to vary the color and configuration. So the app is available for free on iOS and Android, so you can download it and you can test it right away. And what do we provide exactly in this? So first, about Augment. So we are the leader in Augmented Reality for product visualization since 2011. So we were the first app on the App Store that can do that. Best rated, and for Augment, you can look for Augmented Reality if you want to type something longer. And we have more than 200 customers everywhere in the world. We are today more than 40 employees with offices in Paris, New York, and Orlando. And our product is mainly the platform. So the platform on which you will upload models that will come from different 3D softwares for which we have plugins, and that then you will spread through different experiences, so Augmented Reality, interactive print, web. We have a desktop app that allows you to visualize your model before you upload them, so you don't do back and forth. The Augment app on which you can log in and then see all the products that you have uploaded. An SDK to add a button on a website, so when you click on the button, it brings you on the smoothest way to the Augmented Reality experience. And something new that we announced this week, the SDK, so the ability for you to integrate Augment technology inside your own app. You won't want, as a consumer, to buy just by looking at a web page floating in front of you. You will want to have the real products and to see them in the environment and to have the environment filtering the right product. So if you want to go there, you need to start now and to get all your product line future-proof. And globally, that's what Augment do. Thank you.